Globally, about 1/3 of all food produced for humans is wasted, and the majority of this currently goes to our landfill sites. In Australia, 20 to 40% of fruit and veg gets wasted at farms because it is too ugly for the marketing standards of many large supermarkets. Supermarkets throw out a lot of food because of overstocking and from abiding by use by, best before, and now display dates. These are all pictures of dumpster divers and what food they found in the bins. Then there's us. On average, a household wastes 40% of the food that they buy through scraps and simply buying too much. So what's the problem? Apart from the fact that this seems like a massive waste of resources, food breaking down in landfill is a huge environmental concern. When in landfill, as food breaks down, it produces methane gas. This is a gas that plays a big role in the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the way the Earth traps heat, which has been keeping us at a constant average temperature. But since humans have been releasing more greenhouse gases, the temperature has begun to rise. Methane and other greenhouse gases heat our Earth by absorbing and trapping the heat produced by the sun. The methane gas from landfill is 25 times worse than carbon dioxide, which is the gas that comes from burning coal, cutting down trees, and driving cars. If global food waste were a country, it would rank third in the world after the USA and China. So what can we do? Check with your local council to see if you can put food in your green bin or start your own composting system. In South Korea, for example, only 2% of their food waste goes to landfill, as they recycle the rest for animal food and fertilizer. They also capture the methane gas produced in landfill instead of releasing it. But to stop the real problem, we need to buy less food, making sure we only take home what we need. Buying the ugly food at a produce store or farmer's market will save waste rather than demanding perfection from the large supermarkets. There are many people in Melbourne who are working on reducing food waste, distributing leftover food before it gets thrown to landfill. Let's join them.